Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Continuing my Rajasthan trip, today just arrived at Dunga Darwaja of Jaigarh Fort. Bought a composite ticket paying 300 Indian rupees during my city palace visit yesterday. That ticket is valid for 2 days. The Jaigarh Fort is around 10 kilometers away from Jaipur city. It is located on a short diversion from the Jaipur-Delhi highway on Aravalli mountain. The same route which takes another diversion which leads to the Nargarh Fort. You can book a cab or auto to reach here at Dunga Darwaja of the Jaigarh Fort. Jaigarh Fort is famous for Jaivan cannon, world's largest cannon on the wheels. There is a cannon foundry located within the fort complex, where the Jaivan cannon was manufactured. Jaigarh Fort was built by the Sawai Jai Singh II in 1726 to protect the Amer or Amber Palace complex, and the fort was named after him. Amer Palace was the royal residence and Jaigarh was a defense fort. Both are connected by secret passages and considered as one big complex. I heard that there is a secret passage and hill track from Jaigarh Fort to Amer Palace. There are various attractions within the fort, like a huge water tank and palace complex. The fort complex also has armory, museum, a beautiful Persian-style garden, Charbagh, which is divided into 4 parts. Jaivan was manufactured during the reign of Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II. The good thing about this cannon is that it was never used in any battle, but test fired only once. Perhaps no enemy dared to attack the fort because of the size of this cannon. Far away, there is the Jal Mahal on Mansagar Lake. Jaigarh Fort is located at a height of 500 feet above sea level and offers panoramic views of the surrounding. Amer Palace is visible from here, and that is the hill track or road connecting the Jaigarh Fort and the Amber Palace. Golf cart type vehicles are available to travel between the two forts. I will take that route to reach Amer Palace and tell the auto driver Alibaba to reach there and wait for me. This is the famous tank of Jaigarh Fort. This tank has a rainwater harvesting facility and could store up to 6 million gallons of water and has 3 levels. According to the local people, The tank had hidden treasures inside it. Later a raid was organized during emergency period to find it, but no confirmation if any treasure was found. The story of the water tank remains an unsolved mystery. That is the armory on the left. There is a Kalbhairav temple on left side of the palace entrance. In the next video, I am going to explore the beautiful Jayagarh Palace complex and the Bulhulaiya. Stay connected.